little bit easier one as compared to previously we had taken session. Hello. I think this one is. So leave this problem. So we have to focus on the problem of greedy. So how it's look like? So in greedy we can see that we have approx the things have like we have the problem of one greedy problem we have to solve, that is maximum 69. So the problem is maximum 69 number. So what is the problem? Let's see the problem. Okay. It's opening. So problem explained that you are given a number 6. You are given a positive number nums consist of only 6 or 9. So return the maximum number you can get by changing at most one digit 6 to 9. Okay. So in that case we have given a number. So we are given a number like 9 6 6 this thing. Okay. So whatever we are given a 9 6 6 9. Okay. So our aim to at most we have to change one digit. So make this number greater than this one. Okay. So we simply see that this is already 9. If we change this number like 9 6 9 9, still greater than this one, but our choice little bit greedy one, so we change this character. So we make 9 9 6 9. So it's final answer. So we have to change the number. So how we think? Changing the number. How do we think about this one? This one is not clear. Okay. Changing the number, changing the first digit. So we see many of the cases either we have choice of changing this one, this one, this one, and so if we choose this 6, it becomes this one, okay. And if we change this one, it becomes number like 6 to 9 to 6, so 6 6 6 9, okay. This is much lesser than that number, so our goal is to maximize the number. So maximize the number. First thing, we have to think that we have to convert this number into the array like something. So we convert all the things into the array. So let's see. So what if we convert that number? What is the number? That was 9. So why not working? 9 6 9. Okay. This one was not working here. So if we convert this one, like array, what is the idea? What is the new change we can expect from this one? Number will contain only 6 and 9, so we can change at most one number. The number will be largest, so changing from this side is not necessary. We have to change maximum number 2. If we see any number 6 like this one, 6. If we see any number on left side, okay, we immediately change to 9, okay. We less bother about from the right side, okay. So this intuitive thinking, if we find 6, we will change to 9. So stop immediately after changing the first, okay. Convert that number back to this one. So we have to convert that number into the arrays, okay. So I think this may be this may be the solution. So let's write what we are thinking. So first of all, string of maybe string. So we convert into string. So in string s is equal to, how to convert, what is the things to convert into a string. So this will be the function to string that number nums. So that number converted into the string. Now, so that number look like this one, like 6 9, okay. Number look like this one, okay. Now traverse through the each character. If we see the character, convert into 9 and break it and back to the. So now we run loop for auto C at any. So if C is equal to 6, then we have to convert that number into the 9. So in that case, we have to write C is equal to 9 and break. Okay. So this one, and after this condition, after this auto function and break things, in this, after this thing, we have again convert into this happen, okay, this thing happen, we close that loop, okay. Now we have to return the integer thing, okay. we have to return the integers. Then we have to return string to integer, whatever the string is this. Okay, this was the final answer. And by traversing all, in worst case scenario, we can see that our time complexity went for the order of n. So this one is little bit easier side of that question. So maximum number to convert the manipulating the strings. Okay, I think that was easy question. So let's move back to the new question. So next question also be a simple, not that much bad thing. Next question is maximum sum with exactly k element. So maximum sum with exactly k element. So now we are erasing this part. Okay. Okay. So maximum sum with exactly k element. So if it is visible, I think that this will be visible. So as the question mentioned that you are given a zero index integer called a nums. So nums, this one is the array. Okay, and our integer k, and integer k is given. Okay, integer k is given. Okay, and so let me bring closer to this one. So we have nums given and the k is given. So our task is to perform the following operation exactly k time. So we have a task to perform the task exactly k time. Okay. So perform the task exactly k time. So select an element m from the. So you have to select a integer m from where? From nums. Okay, from nums. I have to select m element from the m and remove the selected m element from the m. So we have to remove that number. We have to remove that selected element from there and add a new element of value and this one and add the element of value m plus 1. Okay, so nums we have to perform and remove the and add this one number. So and increase your score by m. So if we take 3, we have to increase the score by m. So return the maximum score you can achieve after performing exactly after k operation. So what is the score after performing after k operation? So let's see the example. So let's see, if you have nums given like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, okay, and we are given with the k value is equal to 3, okay, k value is 3, and return the output. So we need exactly k values and we have to return. So as we think, first of all, the number we have to obtain is maximum number. So first of all, in my mind thing is that we have to maximize the score. So we have to sort in ascending order. So this one is already sorted. We have to take this number. This could become 5. This could become 5. Okay. And we have to remove this number and increment by 1. So in next case it become 1, 2, 3, 4 and 6. And after this one, so now k is equal to 2. In this case we have to extract that number 6 and again replace with 1, 2, 3, 4 and 7. Okay. Again when k is equal to 1, we have to perform this, take this number 7 and increment. So in 3 cases, so this one 11, the final answer is 18. So exactly the final answer is 18. So sorting and extracting last number and putting back into the solution. I think this one is a easiest problem on this problem. So either we use math. So let's write the code. Unless why we are simply sorting the things, we can find the maximum element and we can find the maximum element. Okay, and on that number we can perform the following operation and things. Okay, so first of all, int max element is equal to star max underscore element nums dot begin and nums dot end. By this one we can find the maximum element. So our goal is to give the best result. So result is equal to initialize with 0. Okay. After that we have to perform the loop until k time. So while loop must be while loop every time k minus. So until it becomes 0. And every time we have to answer plus is equal to that max value. And we have to increment the max value by 1. Okay. In first case max value is 5, then increment 6 and then increment 7. So 18 thing. Okay, this thing happened and finally we have to return the answer. So here is the logic. First of all, find the maximum element, initialize where we have to keep the maximum answer. And run the while loop for the k time and select the maximum element from this one, increment this one, add 1. Okay, so final answer is equal to this one. Okay, this one is a straightforward question on the greedy. So in next session we are just trying to solve more problem on the greedy or things. It's not that much hard. So we are solving the simple question After that we reach to the max level question. Okay, till now, good night.